Come on. Where is Parikshit? He is missing? Oh no, he has come. So, here is Parikshit from Kids Funland Club. He keeps forgetting this.
So friends, in the last episode, my papa told you all that we are going to make a mouse. And we are making a mouse.
Let's start
Drawing
the mouse.
Yeah.
Very easy one.
Very easy one.
We start with the the mouth. So easy.
I'm starting with the eyes.
Okay, start with the eyes. So easy, done. That's all. The nose.
This is the head.
Yes.
Why do you call it the mouth?
Done.
My
Now we make the big ears.
Even
You know why mouses have these big ears?
why?
So that they can listen to their enemies. Who is the mouse's biggest enemy?
We.
No, the cats.
Yeah, they are the biggest enemy.
Cats love to
Eat mouse.
eat mouse. They keep hunting for a mouse
In the night also.
in the night. Yes.
In the afternoon.
Have you seen a mouse, Parikshit, ever?
Yeah.
Yes. Where did you see?
In our old house, the mouse came.
Yeah. Yes,
A
right.
mouse came.
Right. Now we make the back part of the mouse. How do we do that? So do you know how to write a 2? Numeric 2?
No.
See, we write it like this.
Papa.
Yes.
Papa, see, but I don't have too much space.
No problem.
See, I'm just going to make the half of the body.
No, we will make full body.
Oh, yes, I can make it.
Yes, this is the tail.
What are you doing?
I completed your drawing first. Now finish the remaining one part.
Okay, wait. I'm starting the
body and the long tail that a mouse has got. Wow, what a long tail I have done. A very thin but a very long tail a mouse has got.
I am done. We are going to color. So guys, follow me. I'm going to color it perfectly.
Yes, I am also done. Let's color it now quickly. First finish the eyes and the nose.
So
What color do we do?
So friends,
Yeah.
in the next drawing, we are going to make a ice dragon. We made a normal dragon. Now we are going to make an
Let's
ice dragon.
finish coloring it. We use a grey color. But we'll not color the entire body, okay, Parikshit?
What?
Let's color the entire body.
The mouth also, the face also.
Okay. Everything with grey color?
Yes. Mouses are in grey color only.
Yeah. But you can make a cartoon mouse. And you can also make it colorful if you want.
But we are making a real mouse. A little drawing type, but a little real also in the coloring.
Yeah.
You have made this so thick. I can't even color it properly. See my mouse is hunting for cheese.
Oh, hunting for cheese.
Yeah.
So let's make a cheese cube also.
Here we are going to make now.
So we'll make a cheese cube as well over here, right?
Yeah. If he's hunting for cheese cubes. Then you have to make the face like this now.
No problem.
Then make it in his mouth.
No,
He's eating it.
We'll make a big one. Or do you want to make a cheese cube in the next drawing? Okay,
Then-
let us make a small cheese cube in this drawing, and let us make a So let us make a small and a quick cheese cube right here. Like this? Yes.
Papa, wait for me, please.
Okay.
So friends, in the duck drawing, in the autumn duck drawing, when the drawing was over, then it was looking so like there are no brown autumn birds or
Does
ducks.
this look like a cheese cube? No, it does not. But anyways, we'll draw another drawing of cheese cubes and some mouses or something else. Let's find out what. Are you done with the coloring, Peter?
No.
Then let's finish the coloring quick. So until Parikshit finishes the drawing, let me tell you with what we have new for you. We have launched a lot of strap drawing books and you can find them on Amazon.com. Buy them and enjoy. And with each book that you buy from us, you also get a lot of surprise gifts inside. So where do you find the books? You can go to www.kidsfunlearnclub.com
What
and
surprises?
you will find a lot of books. And parents, you can share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag KidsFunLearnClub to win exciting prizes and gifts and goodies. Yes, the Kids Fun Learn Club goodies, specially for you. Wish you all the best.
For your kids.
And kids, if you are a little slow, if you are not able to follow us, pause the drawing, stop the drawing,
You can
keep
slow
it
the
up,
drawing also.
and then come back to us. Do not worry if the drawing is not good, because it is more important that you keep practicing with us, keep doing new drawings every single day. We are putting in a lot of drawings every day. We are doing a lot of drawings. Parikshit is learning a lot, I am learning a lot, and I want you to learn a lot with us. Right, Parikshit?
Yes. Let me make a cheese cube.
No, it's okay, leave it.
Now let me make a cheese cube.
Okay, make one. Quickly make one. Wait, we have to go to the next drawing first.
Yeah. You
Are we done?
almost.
Parikshit is making a cheese cube. Somebody has taken a bite in Parikshit's cube. A mouse has already taken a bite in Parikshit's cube. So, Parikshit has something to say.
So friends, if you love the drawing, do like and subscribe. And in the next time, we are going to make an ice dragon. Ice dragon.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.